Backing up your data files in QuickBooks is essential for protecting your financial information from potential loss or damage. This video will walk you through creating backups in QuickBooks. Open QuickBooks and log into your company file. Go to File in the top menu and select Backup Company, and then create Local Backup. Choose Local Backup or Online Backup to save the backup file. Select the backup frequency, and choose the backup location. Save the backup file on your computer. Click Save to start the backup process. Wait for QuickBooks to finish creating the backup file. Once the backup is complete, click OK to confirm. Regularly back up your files to safeguard your financial information. By following these steps, you can create backups in QuickBooks to ensure the safety and security of your valuable financial data.